Spectre Vision.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to some more
Freelance graphic design work. Twitch graphics.
for a Twitch streamer named J4UNT. But yeah, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description if you want to go check it out. And last episode we redrew his logo, made it look more cartoonish, and now we have to do 3 GIFs involving this character. One for a new subscriber, one for a new follower, and one for a donation. So they're gonna be like Twitch alerts. And today I think we're gonna tackle the subscriber one. It's one of the more difficult ones. I want to get it out of the way. And it's gonna be this Blue Knight character knighting another knight. So he's gonna be knighting someone as the subscriber. And I think I got a good plan to tackle it. So let's see what we got to work with here. Okay, here is the knight character that I made in the last episode. So I'm thinking this is gonna be profile view. So I need to draw this Blue Knight with a profile view, and he has to be, I think I can get away with just animating his arm holding the sword. And then so he'll go shoulder to shoulder on a kneeling knight. And I think for the kneeling knight, he'll look pretty much the same, just with red, a red color. I think that'll be a good contrast. So we're gonna start in Photoshop by sketching these 2 characters out, and then we'll take it into Illustrator and turn it into vectors so we can make it really teeny tiny. And then we'll go into After Effects and animate it. Lots to do today. Let's get on it. All right, we have the Illustrator file ready to go, ready to animate. Here are the 2 knights, a red one and a blue one. The blue knight is gonna knight the red one kneeling down. So things I have rigged to animate are the heads, the arms, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The legs don't really need to move in this little animation, but the tricky part for the sword here is it has to go in front of the red knight's face and then behind it. So to solve that, I made 2 of the sword hands here, right? So the idea is for one of them to go in front of the head. See, there's the front one, and then the back one is gonna go behind the head, like so. So yeah, there's all the layers figured out. Looks like we're ready to animate, so let's just jump into After Effects and get this done. All right, first GIF is done. Busted it out real fast. The longest part was obviously rigging the characters here, but I took a little shortcut by making them look similar but with different color schemes. So my plan worked out perfectly with the 2 sword arms. So I just so there's 2 of them. One of them is behind the red knight's head and one of them is in front of it, so you can see that it looks like he's going in front and behind. So once the front one is done, I quickly lower the transparency all the way, and then once it goes behind them, we switch to the second arm. Here, I can just show it to you real quick. So here's the front arm. So you see at 1 second, it goes from 100% transparency, and then I'll get rid of the back one, to nothing. But that's when the back arm appears. So pretty simple trick, little sleight of hand. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just subtle movements, like with the Red Knight's head kind of bowing as he's getting knighted. I did warp the Blue Knight's hand as he was going in front and behind to kind of make it look like it's getting bigger when it's coming in the front of the head and smaller when it's getting into the back. I wasn't sure about moving the shield. I thought I didn't want it to stay so static, so I moved it a little bit, but I don't know. So yeah, it turned out to be about 3 seconds long. It's like 400 by 400 pixels. Might be a bit too big, but it should be fine if he shrinks it a little bit. It looks like it has a black background right now, but it's transparent. And yeah, that's about it for today. I'm gonna send this out to Jaunt and make sure it looks good. And then in the next episode, we'll get into the next GIF. So we got 1 out of 3 done. We're moving right along. I'm liking the progress so far. Thanks for watching. Go check out his Twitch channel, and we'll see you in the next one.